So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching actually between my computer screen and my phone. And the reason for that is because all my pictures are on my phone. And if I did everything on eBay through my computer, I'd have to upload the pictures to my computer and then re-upload the pictures from the computer to eBay, which is really a pain. And I found that it's a lot easier to just do it straight through the app. The eBay app is actually really good, and so take all the pictures and upload straight to the app, and I'll show you. I'm obviously going to go through that now. So let's switch over to the eBay app. Here it is. Here's some parts I was actually checking out. Going to go over to my eBay and then select selling. You'll see here there's I have 10 active items right now. I've sold $1,200 worth of stuff in the past 90 days. And we're going to go up and list an item. What's pretty cool about the eBay app, and I'm not sure if you list online, I'm sure it has the same functionality, but if you listed it from your computer, but you can put in the item, like do a search for the item up here at the top, and it will populate with other similar items. So I'm going to go back to the computer here, and I'm actually going to copy paste this part number for the side view mirror. So I copy from my computer, and it'll actually connect to my phone. I can paste right in here. Okay. There we go. So that's the part number for the side view mirror. And then I'm going to put in the keyword Porsche and search. And then it gives you these suggested. The top is usually what you want, but double check. Here, obviously, side view mirror is mirror assemblies. And then here are all these items that are the mirror that I had. Right side view mirror. So I'm just going to kind of select one that looks like it has the best description, because it's going to take everything that's populated in these, in whatever ad I pick, and populate it in the listing for me already. I think this first one is probably the best. And then obviously we're going to select used, continue to listing. And then this pops up with basically all the information I need. So I don't have to put in these part numbers, even has the color. I will put in a description. I will do pricing and obviously shipping. So I'm going to go into my pictures, and here's some other stuff I was doing, then stuff from the weekend, and get down to, there's the Ferrari stuff. We don't want to select this stuff. Okay, now we're getting into this photo shoot that I did. Let's see. Okay, here's the mirror. So I probably pick this one first, and then you can select these like this if you just drag across. And those are the pictures of the mirror. So add those in. I have a bunch of pictures. I have a couple pictures showing a couple of blemishes down on the left side here, those two. All right, so now our pictures are good to go. We hit done. I always like to double check the title just to make sure it's everything that I want it to be. 9704 Porsche Boxster, 986 right passenger side view door mirror silver. I don't like having the word, I don't think we need the word door in there. People put in as much keywords as possible, which I think is usually good, but sometimes they go a little overboard. So that's good. And then category is all good. We checked that. Now for pricing, I'm going to hop back to the computer. I have here a value of $50. I've checked those as I go through again. So put that in and then just look here. So I'm really trying to just get this stuff sold. If you look at pricing here, here's a nice one, $93, free shipping. 85 looks similar to mine, free shipping. 65. So $65 shipping. So like 60, $65 seems to kind of be the bottom of the barrel. I think I'm going to go in and list this at 50 with free shipping. Again, I want someone to come on here, need a silver one, find mine, see it looks in good condition, and just buy it, because there are a lot of these, as you can see. And and I want it gone. So now we will we'll go back to the eBay app, and first we'll do the description. Passenger side mirror for 986 Boxster in silver. Part number, and then we'll grab this from the computer again to paste it in. OEM Porsche in good condition with a few small blemishes as pictured. So I always take pictures of stuff that's wrong with parts, and then I'm just upfront honest about it. Two reasons for that. First reason is I just like to do business that way. Second reason is if someone gets a part that isn't as described, they're just going to return it, and you have to send them their money back and then either pay to ship it back to you or just not get it back. So try to be honest with those descriptions. For pricing, I've been doing a lot of research, and it looks like buy it now is the way to go. Buy it now with free shipping. Everybody, all these guys doing parts, buy it now with free shipping. So buy it now, $50. Yeah, that was by accident. We do want to do offers. If someone offers me 45, I'll do it. So I like to do offers. Okay. And okay, that is good there. This stuff I don't really touch. It's kind of preset in there. But we do have to do shipping. So again, for free shipping, I'm not sure if it's easier on the computer, but you kind of have to go through a little bit of process here. You have to enter weight details, and then you actually have to hit that you don't know them. And then when you go back, it will enable you to do economy shipping, and then you can select offer free shipping. So that's that. I always select local pickup. I'm always down at the shop anyway. If someone wants to come by, they're welcome to. And that's really it. So we hit list your item. Takes a second. And we're good to go. Got another item active on eBay, 11. So hopefully that was helpful. Quick little tutorial on how to sell this stuff. I will see you guys when I get back into the garage tomorrow. All right. See you next time.